Struggling to understand what a cybersecurity learning channel actually is? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, this is going to click. Here's the deal. You're a nurse. Your job is patience, not passwords. But here's the truth nobody tells you in nursing school. Protecting patient data is now part of your clinical skills. And that's exactly where a cybersecurity learning channel comes in. Let's break it down. No fluff, just the high-yield stuff you need. So what is a cybersecurity learning channel? Simply put, it's a dedicated stream of training that teaches healthcare workers how to spot, prevent, and respond to digital threats. Think of it like a focused playlist of lessons, all built around keeping patient information safe. Some channels are actual video series. Others are training modules baked right into your hospital's learning system. Either way, the goal is the same. Turn confusing tech topics into simple, everyday habits you can use at the bedside. And the best part? These channels are built for busy people. You learn in short bursts, on your own time, anywhere you've got a screen. Now, why should you care? Because in healthcare, a data breach isn't just an ID problem, it's a patient safety problem. Picture this. A hacker locks up your hospital system with ransomware. Suddenly, you can't pull up medication records. You can't access lab results. Care slows down, and patients are the ones who pay the price. That's not a scary story. It happens. Hospitals get targeted because patient records are incredibly valuable. This is why cybersecurity learning channel nursing content is growing so fast. When you understand the basics, you become a frontline defender. You protect your patients, your license, and your team. Cybersecurity is now core to modern nursing education, right alongside pharmacology and assessment skills. Let's get practical. How does this actually show up in your day? You interact with a cybersecurity learning channel more than you think. During onboarding, when you complete required security training before your first shift. In annual healthcare training, where you refresh your knowledge on privacy rules and safe data habits. Through quick alerts and micro lessons, like a 2-minute video on spotting a phishing email. After an incident, when your unit reviews what went wrong and how to prevent it next time. Notice the pattern? This isn't one giant lecture. It's small, steady lessons woven into your workflow. That's what makes it stick. All right, let's make this real. Here are practical habits you can apply on your very next shift. 1. Never share your login. That badge and password are tied to you. If someone uses your access, it traces back to you. 2. Lock your screen every single time you walk away. An open workstation is an open door to patient data. 3. Think before you click. Got a weird email asking you to log in or download something? Pause. Phishing is the #1 way hackers get in. 4. Report anything strange. See a device acting up or an email that feels off? Tell your supervisor or IT right away. Speed matters. 5. Keep patient info off personal devices. No screenshots, no texting details, no exceptions. Master these 5, and you're already ahead of the curve. Let's lock it in. A cybersecurity learning channel is your go-to resource for learning how to keep patient data safe. It matters because digital threats directly affect patient care, and you interact with it constantly, from onboarding to quick daily lessons. Cybersecurity isn't separate from nursing. It's a clinical skill you carry into every room. Ready to build these skills the flexible, on-your-own-time way? Head over to elitelearning.com for continuing education courses designed for healthcare pros just like you. You'll find clear, convenient training that fits your schedule and keeps you ahead in your career. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Your patients are counting on you, and now you've got the tools to protect them. You've got this, future nurse. I'll see you in the next one.